Hello friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to be talking about the AWS pricing model. So if you are starting in AWS, this is an important topic for you to understand that how the AWS will charge the money from you, from which services, from which pricing model the AWS will charge the money from you. So there are three pricing models that the AWS will charge the money from you. Like the first one is the pay as you go. The second one is the pay less while using more. And the third one is the save when you commit. So these are the three pricing model that you need to keep in mind if you are starting using AWS. So let's take a look at them one by one. So the first one is the pay as you go. So this is the common service that when we start using AWS, this is the service that we commonly use. Like the more resources that you will use, the more the AWS will charge from you. So each service will have an individual pricing. Like if you are using EC2 instance, then the AWS will charge you for that individual service. Similarly, if you are using S3 bucket, then AWS will also charge you from that S3 bucket also. So each service has different pricing and AWS will charge you for each of those services. It won't give you discount. Instead, you have to pay for each of the services that you are using. So this is the model that is named like pay as you go. The services that you will be using, you will also pay for those services. And once you stop using those services, the AWS will also stop charging from you. So this is an important thing. Now the second point that is basically the pay less while using more. So it is present in many companies. Like the more services that you will use of a company, they will give a discount to you also. All right, so this is the pricing model that AWS is also providing. Like if you are committed to AWS for 1 or 2 or 3 years, then the AWS will give you the discount also. Like if you are committing to S3 bucket for huge amount of time, then the AWS will give you discount as compared to other users. All right, and it will charge you less and you can use it more. So this is the second pricing model that the AWS is providing. Now the third pricing model is the save while you commit. All right, so what does it mean? So basically it is like a subscription model. Just like the companies, you will go to the company or any kind of industry, and if you buy those stuff in a company in a bulk, then the company will give you discount as compared to a general shopkeeper who will not get that much discount. So similarly, if you are committed to AWS for 1 or 2 or 3 years, then you will reserve your seat or the services that you want to buy, and you will buy that subscription model of the AWS. So if you have bought that subscription model of the AWS, now the AWS won't charge you for the services, each services. Instead, it will charge you for the subscription. All right, so if you are using EC2 instance in a subscription, then the subscription money will be charged from you. The what you can say, the pay as you go model will not be applied to you, because you have subscribed to a specific service in which there are multiple services that you will be using in a bulk. So this is the third service, the pricing model that the AWS is providing. So if you want to read further more about it, I will link the details of it and the website in the description below so that you can check it out. And if you enjoyed this video, then like my content and please subscribe to my channel. So see you soon in the next video.